So here I am saying goodbye to the OnePlus Open. If you guys haven't seen my review, I will try to put a card at the top right-hand corner for you guys to go watch. But, you know, in short, this phone, you know, has really good features, great build quality, good cameras, good performance. But for me, it's just not bright enough. And I think the displays are very disappointing. So I wanted to talk a bit about how I prepare my devices when I return them. So the first thing I normally do is I go into my settings and I do a factory reset, right? That's kind of the first step if you're returning a device. So here we go, clear all data, clear. That's going to factory reset it. Can we turn it on? There we go, it's like a brand new device. Let's see, can we make sure it has a decent amount of battery? Yep, it has 82% battery. So what I can go ahead and do is power this off. Whoops, I took a screenshot. Hope it deletes that. Okay, we're going to power that off. That way we can clean this before we put it back in the box. You guys saw me cleaning the case here. And what I use is alcohol wipes. That's what I've always used to clean my devices. You know, it just kind of takes all of those oils off of it, kills the germs and stuff like that. So I cleaned the case, and so that's what we're going to do. I'm going to go grab another one of these and wipe this down, and then what I use is a microfiber cloth to make sure it's, you know, super clean. And then I try to repackage it as good as it came in the box. So that's what we're going to do. We'll let it dry for just a quick second before we wipe it off with the microfiber cloth. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to slide this to the side, kind of get my box prepared here. I'm going to try to put it back in this paper as closely as I remember in the unboxing. So I'm just going to set that back here on my keyboard for when I'm ready for that. Okay, I went back and watched my unboxing, and I was on the right track. So this is supposed to kind of snap to the envelope looking box. So I got to try to figure that out. I think that's it right there. So like that. And then they had the outer portion, I think, sort of like that maybe. Let's flip it around and give it a different try. No, that doesn't feel right. Right there. That feels right, like that. It lays flat. So now I'm going to put this as one entire package down in this. So there we go. Got that all packaged up, and we can put that, let's put it like face down like that. Okay, the charger's in there. We can lay this piece back in there like that. Yes, okay, it's flush in there. And now I can start working on, let's go ahead and wipe this down. So there we go, that looks pretty good to me. I don't think it needs to be super clean. You know, they will do that, and I think they're mainly just worried about, you know, any major damage. Now, let's slide the box over here and set that in there. Just like so. And I think that looks pretty decent to me. Not perfect, of course, but decent enough. So there we go. That's how I prepare my devices for return. Now I'm also going to wipe off the box. But that's pretty much it. That's how I prepare my devices for a return. Of course, it's not going to be 100% how it came in the box, but realistically, I don't think the company expects that. So, but I am going to wipe off the box and print off the shipping label and send this out. And if I have any more hiccups with the OnePlus customer support, I will be sure to let you guys know of any updates. Keep an eye out on the channel. So if you're on mobile, which most people are, There is the home tab. Better yet, let me show you guys. If you go to my channel, you have these tabs here. You have home, videos, shorts, live, playlist. The community tab is pretty far over here, but keep an eye on that. This is where I will update you guys on something that I feel like might not be worth making a video on. So depending on how my experience goes with the rest of this OnePlus Open return, I may make a post here in the community tab. That's pretty much it. Let me know how you guys prepare your devices when you sell it or even return it. I appreciate you watching, and I will see you in the next video.